This has to be one of the most horrible ways to die. So, on June 24th, 1967, John Ogden and 5 of his friends were exploring the Mossdale Cavern. They were looking to find places nobody else had discovered. And they did. They were actually 2 miles beneath the surface. But what they didn't know is what was going on outside. Outside, there was a massive rainstorm that was actually starting to flood the nearby creek. And as that water level began to rise, it started making its way into the cave system that they were in. So they're in this cave system, they're 2 miles under the surface, and all this water is rushing down to the bottom of this cave system. They start hearing a noise, and that's when they know they've got a really big problem. So as the water starts to rise, they try to find a way up and out of the cavern system. Unfortunately, the water starts to rise. Now it's up to their knees and then getting closer to their waist. They're trying to find an escape path, and they finally find something that they can actually go to. Their only hope was this small crack up ahead. John rushed up first, and everybody kind of followed after him. But then the force of the water came in extremely fast. And next thing they know, John is up to his neck in water, and that's when he realizes all of his friends are underwater. Trying to make his way up even faster and further so his friends can get up there for air, he's stuck. He can't go any further. And as the minutes go by, all of his friends drown. Now, rescue crews try to get down to the kids. They know they were in this cavern, and there's 6 of them down there. Meanwhile, John Ogden's stuck in this position, up to his neck in water, just waiting for help to come. But he's running lower and lower on air, and they need to get to him quickly. Unfortunately, they went to places that nobody else had explored, and how to get there was very, very challenging, especially with the water level so high. They'd had to actually have divers go down there and wait for the water to recede in some area, and it wasn't enough time. He ended up running out of air, and David, Jeffrey, William, John, Michael, and Colin all died down in the caves.